Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder quality into Vivo V23. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down and choose shortcuts and accessibility option. Here choose S Capture, and then scroll down, and on the bottom we got screen recording block option. So here we got picture quality option, tap it, and for example you can change to medium or low quality, and for changing your quality select and it's saved automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.